Hello guys! So, magpuproceed tayo sa orange and apple, but we need to wash it first, okay? Okay, so ito nahugasan na. Oh my gosh. I-dry out lang natin siya ng kitchen towel. Okay, so let's cut the apple first. Simpleng cutting lang to, okay? Just like this. Tapos i-arrange lang natin sa bowl ng maganda. Cut lang natin ng ganyan. So, I cut first into four slice, tapos every slice ng apple, ikakat ulit natin ng apple. Okay, arrange natin sa bowl. Like this. Simple lang. Okay, look at that. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan na yung outcome ng apple, but also for the orange wise.